The 63-1571 air intake system is guaranteed to increase horsepower on 2015 Ram 1500 models with the 3-liter V6 diesel engine. It uses a custom aerodynamically engineered rotomolded intake tube and a custom heat shield, designed to help isolate the intake air from engine heat. It features a chrome-topped K&N high-flow air filter and comes with a K&N 10-year million-mile limited warranty. Check KNfilters.com for a complete and up-to-date list of models this air intake fits. With the 63-1571 intake installed on a 2015 Ram with a 3-liter V6 diesel engine, K&N power testing showed an estimated power gain of 11.22 horsepower and 15.34 pound-feet of torque at 3,300 RPM. Actual results will vary depending on the condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. You can really see and hear the difference the K&N air intake system will make to your truck. This intake comes with all components needed for an easy installation, along with detailed installation instructions. The tools needed are shown. Start by turning off the ignition and disconnecting the negative battery cable. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Loosen the hose clamp securing the factory intake tube to the mass air sensor. Release the 4 clips securing the upper air filter housing, and then remove the housing and air filter. Lift up to dislodge the decorative engine cover and then remove the cover. Loosen the hose clamp securing the intake tube to the turbo inlet hose. Lift up the intake tube to dislodge it from the mounting stud and then remove the tube from the vehicle. Install the provided coupling hose halfway onto the K&N intake tube and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Install the K&N intake tube into the factory turbo inlet hose and secure it with the factory hose clamp. Remove the mass air sensor from the factory upper air filter housing. Install the provided coupling hose onto the mass air sensor and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Install the mass air sensor into the coupling hose that's installed onto the K&N intake tube. Install the provided radius adapter into the heat shield and secure it with the provided hardware. Install the provided edge trim onto the heat shield and trim if needed. Install the heat shield onto the lower air filter housing and install the coupling hose. Then, secure the heat shield with the factory retaining clips. Reconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Install the K&N air filter onto the filter adapter and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Reinstall the decorative engine cover. Lastly, reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double-check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle, and check periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the installation instructions or proper maintenance may void your warranty. Visit KNfilters.com to search for products by vehicle, dimension, cross-reference, or even vehicle identification number. You can also quickly look up the other products available for your car, truck, or motorcycle, including high-flow air filters designed to increase horsepower, wrench-off oil filters that are easy to remove, and our new washable cabin air filters that will help keep the inside of your car fresh and clean. Make your move to K&N. Superior airflow, superior performance.